Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. Today I'm out documenting, taking all photos for the high fall stunt I have set up and scripted for my first experimental horror film. As you can see behind me, the stunt person is going to jump off of the bridge all the way down to the little gully below, and it's pretty high, so it should look very impressive. For this stunt and this scene is going to require Bolex P2, and so I'm just setting everything up here. It's going to take a while to document it completely and get the stunt as safe as possible. Alright, so first I'm going to start using it with handheld here, measuring everything out, and then I'll switch to tripod. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the shot that I want, right in the center, right there. The foliage is going to have to be trimmed away, and for me to be able to get a totally clean shot. But the good thing is I can get one good clean shot, and the camera should not have to be moved at all, and that's going to be the beauty of it. And down below, right there, I should have enough setup for the bag and more likely cardboard boxes and stuff like that is for the stunt person to land on, and they'll just cover everything. And I'm going to have some other safety precautions there too that I've got in mind. So let's take a look at it, the tripod. Okay, I've got just the shot that I want, and again the foliage will have to be cleared away, but other than that I've got a clean shot, a nice shot. I couldn't ask for any better. From the top of the bridge, measuring it from one of the light poles and one of the foliage from the trees where the actor will be, the stunt man rather, and then all the way down to the bottom where the water is flowing. And there's just enough coverage for me to put for the team to put the cardboard boxes and things like that to break the fall of the stunt person. Alright, so let's take a look at that shot. Okay, so this is the shot. All the way around from here, from the inside of my finger, the top of my finger right there, inside there of the frame, and here of the frame. So there can be seen in the center, from the top all the way down to the water. And there's just enough coverage here, at the bottom, where the water is for the padding to be put, cardboard boxes and that type of thing. So as it turns out, the beauty of this stunt and the scene will simply be that we can pull it off whichever way we wish and set it up. We just got to get down there and clean everything when the time comes, rehearse it over and over again, on paper as well as on location here, to make sure everything is as safe as possible. And that type of a thing. Well, I even found the flowing water down at the bottom. I can do a close-up of that with some blood running down, and then get the actor down there as well, and with the gore effect, a close-up. So that'll take other several shots as well down there on location, very potentially. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share videos. Join our Morbid Team Entertainment barter, buy and sell group, and put a like on the Morbid Team Entertainment page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.